Welcome students in my YouTube channel Chemistry Jungle. For ISC students and CBSE students and other course students, I am preparing the videos for class 11th and class 12th practicals related to salt analysis for the identification of second group of basic radicals and a particular cation Cu2 positive ion, and for the acidic radicals and for a particular anion sulfate ion. Let me perform the salt analysis, and in salt analysis perform today second group of cations and one anion which can be detected by the practical test. So here today we start the test of cation for second group. First of all, we perform for the identification of second group of basic radicals, and then for a particular cation test. So we here start for second group of basic radicals. Take a small amount of salt in a dry test tube, a small amount of salt, and then add dilute HCl. Okay, dilute HCl. You can see the salt dissolve very well, but here we want to find the precipitate. So on heating, start heating. And then cool the solution and observe that precipitate is formed or not. You can see that there is no precipitate formed, that is first group is absent. Now we want to go for second group determination. Pass H2S gas in the solution. If precipitate is formed, then second group is confirmed. This is the passing of gas, H2S gas. Passing of H2S gas in the solution. If precipitate is formed, then second group will be confirmed. Now we can see here clearly that a black precipitate is formed in the solution. So that is second group is confirmed here. After confirmation of second group, we want to perform the test of a particular cation in the second group. In second group in your syllabus, black precipitate generally formed in case of sulfides. Here copper sulfide may be present. After passing H2S gas in the solution and black precipitate is formed in the solution, add 50% dilute HNO3 and boil of solution so that H2S gas should be removed properly. Properly boil the solution so that H2S gas should be removed. And precipitate is also dissolved and a clear solution is obtained. Now we can see here the clear solution is obtained. Cool the solution. Cool the solution, you will observe that greenish blue color solution is formed. That is Cu2 positive may be present. Any copper second ion may be present at excess of ammonium hydroxide. If a deep blue color precipitate is obtained, then copper is confirmed. डीप ब्लू कलर सॉल्यूशन अगर बनता है, देखिए इस तरह से डीप ब्लू कलर सॉल्यूशन इज फॉर्म्ड, देन Cu2 positive ion is confirmed. Okay. Now, in the second part of the solution, add 2 to 3 drops of acetic acid. 2 to 3 drops of acetic acid, and then add potassium ferrocyanide solution. If chocolatey brown color is obtained, that is precipitate of chocolatey brown color, then copper second is present. You can see very well, chocolatey brown precipitate is formed. It confirms Cu2 positive ion in the given salt. So students, by the performing these tests, you can identify Cu2 positive ion and second group of basic radicals in the given salt. Now you can also test this deep blue color solution confirmed by chocolatey brown precipitate if you add in it potassium ferrocyanide with a small amount of acetic acid. Look here, on adding acetic acid and then add potassium ferrocyanide, a chocolatey brown precipitate is also formed here. It is the confirmation of Cu2 positive ion in the solution. In a test tube, take a small amount of salt and then prepare the solution in distilled water. This salt is easily soluble in water, as I am observing. It may contain sulfate ion and barium chloride solution. If sulfate is present in it, then a white precipitate is formed, white precipitate of barium sulfate. You can see very clearly a white precipitate dilute on addition of dilute HNO3, precipitate does not dissolve, and also we can add concentrated acid also. It also do not dissolve in it. Look here, the precipitate do not dissolve, that is sulfate is confirmed. Now another test for the test of sulfate ion we can easily perform. Take again a small amount of salt and dissolve it in distilled water. Salt is easily dissolved, and add a small amount of acetic acid, and then add lead acetate solution. If white precipitate is formed, then the sulfate ion will be confirmed. You can see that white precipitate is formed. You can see at the bottom the precipitate is white in color. This precipitate, white precipitate is settled at the bottom. I think you all observe these experiment and understand very clearly. If this video is helpful for you, then like it, share with friends and subscribe the channel so that new videos and their notifications will be find you very easily.